Hello, this tutorial will help you set up your Holy Cross Magnus Health account. You will be receiving an email from service@magnushealthportal.com. This introductory email includes your account username, which is indicated here, and a link to create your password. You'll have 7 days to create your new password once you receive the email. If you have difficulties at any time, please either call this number or email service@magnushealthportal.com. When you're ready to create, you right-click Create Password and click on Open Link in New tab. You'll then be presented with a second web page where you'll just click here to access your Magnus account portal. Here you'll notice that your username is already predetermined. You will enter a new password and confirmation password that meets the specifications on this side here. So let's create one now. We'll just call this one Tiger Toast 5601 ! And as you see, it meets all of the criteria. And then Tiger Toast 5601 ! Again. And you can click the little eyes to verify that you have the same password in both spots. When you've completed this section, hit Create Password. You will receive an information that says your password has been created successfully. Click OK. The next section will present you with a 2-minute tutorial, which you should watch before proceeding. Thank you.